This coin looks simple. But what if I told you it connects to centuries of history, royal legacy, and a design that most people completely ignore? Today we are uncovering the truth behind the 2014 one-penny coin from the United Kingdom, and why collectors are paying serious attention to it right now. At first glance, this coin may seem ordinary, a small copper-plated steel coin that many people use every day without thinking twice. But in the world of coin collecting, even the smallest details can turn an ordinary coin into something extraordinary. Let us start with the obverse. The front side of the coin features Queen Elizabeth II, one of the most recognized figures in modern history. The portrait was designed by Ian Rank Broadley. His initials IRB appear just below the Queen's shoulder. This portrait was introduced in 1998 and remained in use for many years. It shows a mature and dignified representation of the Queen wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. Around the portrait you will see the legend, Elizabeth II DG Reg FDIRB. This is not just random text. It stands for Elizabeth II by the grace of God, Queen Defender of the Faith. This traditional inscription reflects the deep historical roots of British monarchy and its connection to coinage. Now let us move to the reverse. This is where things get even more interesting. The reverse design was created by Matthew Dent. It features a section of the royal shield, specifically the part representing England. The design includes 3 lions passant guardant, which are a symbol of strength and royal authority. But what makes this design unique is that it is not a complete image on its own. Instead, it is part of a larger puzzle. When you combine all denominations of UK coins from 1 penny to 50 pence, they form the complete royal shield. This concept was introduced in 2008 and completely changed the identity of British coins. The legend on the reverse simply reads 1 penny. Clean, bold, minimal, yet powerful. Now let us talk about the material and specifications. The 2014 one-penny coin is made of copper-plated steel. It weighs approximately 3.56 grams. The diameter is about 20.3 millimeters. The shape is perfectly round with a smooth edge. So why are collectors interested in this coin? First reason is mintage. The number of coins produced in 2014 was relatively high. However, high mintage does not always mean low value, because condition plays a major role. Coins in uncirculated condition or mint state can attract collectors who want perfect examples for their collections. Second reason is design significance. The Royal Shield design is considered one of the most modern and artistic transformations in UK coin history. Collectors often try to complete full sets of shield coins across different years, and the 2014 issue is an important part of that collection. Third reason is errors and varieties. This is where things become exciting. Some coins may have striking errors, misalignment, die cracks, or unusual finishes. These rare variations can dramatically increase value, and they are often discovered by collectors who carefully examine their coins. Now let us address the claim that this coin is worth $6 billion. This is not realistic. No one-penny coin has ever sold for such an amount. However, viral claims like this attract attention and curiosity, which is why you must always rely on verified market data. In real market conditions, a regular 2014 one-penny coin in circulated condition is worth exactly 1 penny. In uncirculated condition, it may range from a few cents to a few dollars depending on quality. Rare error coins or special graded examples could reach higher values, but nothing close to extreme viral numbers. So what should you do if you have this coin? Start by checking the condition. Look for scratches, wear, or damage. A clean and shiny coin has higher potential value. Next, inspect for errors. Use a magnifying glass if possible. Look closely at the lettering, the edges, and the design alignment. Then consider storage. Keep your coin in a protective holder to prevent damage. Avoid touching it directly with your fingers. Finally, research current market listings. Compare similar coins and see what collectors are actually paying. Coin collecting is not just about money. It is about history, art, and the stories behind each piece of metal. This small penny carries the legacy of a nation, the image of a queen, and a design that connects multiple coins into one unified symbol. That is the beauty of coin collecting. Even the smallest coin can hold a massive story. If you found this information valuable, make sure to stay connected for more deep insights into rare coins, hidden values, and real market trends, because the next coin you have in your pocket might be more important than you think. Thanks for watching.